In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin emails in Outlook. Pinning is a simple way to keep your most important messages front and center so they don't get buried as new mail arrives. Think of it like tacking a note to a bulletin board. The email stays at the top of your list, easy to find whenever you need it, without changing its folder or marking it unread. Start by opening Outlook and heading to the folder where your message lives, such as your inbox. In the message list, move your mouse over the email you want to keep handy. As you hover, quick actions will appear alongside that message. Look to the right of the email for a small gray thumbtack icon. That's the pin control. It may show up after a slight pause as the hover actions load, which is completely normal. Click the gray thumbtack to pin the message. You'll see the icon fill in to indicate it's active, and the email will jump to the top section of your list. Pinned items stay in that elevated spot even as new messages come in, so you won't have to scroll or search to find them. This is especially useful for project details, travel confirmations, or any message you need to reference throughout the day. If you ever change your mind, unpinning is just as easy. Hover over that pinned email at the top, notice the thumbtack is now solid, and click it again. The email will drop back into its regular position based on your current sort, like by date or sender. Nothing else about the message changes. It stays in the same folder and keeps its read or unread status. You can pin more than one message. In fact, you can pin several, and Outlook will group all pinned emails together at the top of that folder. Within that group, they generally follow your existing sort order, so your list remains tidy and predictable. Remember, pinning is different from flagging or adding categories. Flags are great for follow-ups and reminders, while a pin simply locks the message near the top for quick access. If the thumbtack doesn't appear right away, hovering directly over the message area usually reveals it. Visual details vary slightly between Outlook on the web and the desktop app, but the behavior is the same. Hover over the message, click the gray thumbtack to pin, and click the solid thumbtack to unpin. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.